All right, y'all, we're about to jump straight into it. As you can see, my hair is already styled in mini twists. I typically wear them for about 2 to 3 weeks. This is like the halfway mark. And I go in to refresh them so they won't be walking around looking all dry and crusty. And I'm going in and I'm hitting my scalp real quick with my Jamaican black castor oil with the peppermint in it. You can get that anywhere. I got mine from Sally's, Sally's, a Walmart, hair store, where Amazon, wherever. Any oil of your choice, honestly, just to kind of, freshen up your scalp. And you do want to massage your scalp to stimulate that blood flow. Then I go in, I spray them with water because water is definitely your best friend when it comes down to moisturizing your hair. And these are the two products that I am using. They are definitely my best friends when it comes down to doing protective styling, especially with mini twists or braids. They work so wonderful. They always keep my hair moisturized, even with the ends of my hair being color treated. I never had an issue with these two products. So yeah, I'm just, sectioning off my hair, and then I'm just going to go one by one, taking them apart, doing a small amount of each product together on the twist. Okay, so you can see like a major difference in my hair when I first started doing it versus now. You see how that's dry. Just give it a second. After I put in like the products and all the other stuff, once it's twisted, you're going to see how hydrated it looks. But one important thing that is being done in this video is I'm going in and I am dusting off my split ends. One thing when it comes down to split ends, if you are looking to grow out your hair or you just want healthy hair, period, split ends is extremely important to get rid of because, and then too, if you just want the length, okay? Because if you think about it, the more hair that you hold on to, the more you're going to end up cutting in the end because it grows up your hair shaft. So even if it's just like a light dusting, this is one of the easiest ways to clip your own split ends. You put them up in twists or even braids, and then you can just dust off the ends. That's if you aren't comfortable with cutting your own hair. So, all right, that's all. I'm gonna shut up. We can get back to the video. All right, y'all. So I cannot find my edge control, so I have to use the next best thing, which is the Gorillas Knot. But I mean, I ain't got that much hair to slick up, so really, I'm just slicking up my skin. You see, you can swoop up your skin, y'all. Stupid shedding. But anyways, so basically that's how I go in and I refreshen up my twist. Oh, I did this on a Sunday and I was getting ready for church and I had to be keeping Jesus and my husband. That's why I'm putting on a lip liner. But anyways, so yeah, so you can see my twist look a whole lot better when I first started the video. I will get like another week wear out of this, and make sure you come back and you will see how I did my twist out. Bye.